tax season, which means new tax laws. Felicia recently sat down with father's rights attorney Jeffery Leving to talk about the new laws which could affect your filing this year.
Well, first comes love, then comes marriage, and then comes alimony. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and it's important to know your rights. Father's rights attorney Jeffery M. Leving joins us now to discuss alimony. Hello and good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, first off, what is alimony exactly?
Spousal support, and theoretically, it's designed so both spouses post-divorce could live similarly to the lifestyle they enjoyed while they were married. Often that's impossible.
So who's actually entitled to alimony? It's not just for women.
Anybody. I've represented male clients that have received alimony. It really depends on who should receive it. That's the real issue. If the mother is earning $500,000 a year and dad is a stay-at-home dad taking care of the children, and that marriage has lasted 20 years or longer, that dad could end up with permanent alimony from mom.
Yeah, it can be a tough situation going through divorce, which is why we need somebody like you. And let's talk about some of the new laws that actually end up affecting alimony. There are actually some new tax laws that we should be aware of? Absolutely.
There's one that is terrible that I think hurts husbands that want to be good, mothers, wives that want to be good, because the new alimony law basically takes away the tax deduction for the payor. So hypothetically, the wage earner, the greater wage earner, now can't deduct maintenance. So what that means is most higher wage earners aren't going to want to pay a lot of maintenance because they lose the deduction, and then the unemployed or lesser employed spouse can lose out on a lot of money. So everybody loses, and the only one who makes out is the government.
Oh, man. So who came up with this law? Okay, we got to find those people.
You got it.
We got to find those people. All right. Thank you so much. Like I said, we know that divorce can be tough. Things don't always go as planned, but there is help that you can find specifically with your finances.
Exactly. And also the new alimony law really bothers me because in certain situations it provides an incentive to file for a divorce in a marriage that's salvageable. So there's a lot of problems with it.
Okay.
And I should say it's a combination of laws. That one actually is, it's part of what's going on now.
Which is why we need an expert like yourself, because you guys, these laws, they tend to get a little bit complicated, and of course there's stipulations and case-by-case situations, which is why we need to check you out, huh?
Exactly, and get a premarital agreement if you want to protect yourself from alimony.
Oh. Then you don't have to necessarily get into all those details.
Hope so.
Well, if you need the help of Jeffery Leving, head to dadsrights.com for all the information.